Hey everybody, my name is Scott Carson. Hope you are doing well today. I'm known across the country as the note guy because for the last 12 plus years, I've specialized in buying distressed notes on residential and commercial properties. Made a killing over the last decade in buying residential commercial notes at huge discounts, lately feeling like I was stealing assets from the banks for pennies on the dollar. And along the way, I've helped train thousands of other real estate investors and people looking to get into real estate on how to become the bank by buying the debt directly from banks and lending institutions for huge discounts. And I would love to invite you out to my one-day Note Weekend training course that's this Saturday from roughly 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's called Note Weekend. You can check out the whole schedule at noteweekend.com. But we'll focus on really how to find, fund, and flip non-performing notes. Now, you can't learn everything about the note business in one day, let alone 3 days. But this is a great Cliff Notes version training for you guys to dip your toes in the water and see if maybe I want to become a note investor. Maybe I want to relive the Big Short, but put a lot of money in my pocket and do a lot of good by helping keeping borrowers and homeowners in their house. One of the great things that is available out there, everybody, with all the craziness going on, there's a lot of opportunity for a real estate investor to tap into the distressed markets. Whether you're looking for residential, commercial, you want to add assets to your portfolio, now's the time to be diving in it because we're going to see a record amount of assets and wealth transferred here in the fourth quarter of 2020. So I invite you out to join me this Saturday at 9 a.m. Central. You can go to noteweekend.com. That's noteweekend.com, exactly as it's found. Get signed up for as little as $49, and we're giving you over $1,000 in bonuses as well with some lists and some other training and things like that as well. For the replays are included. But like I said, for just $49, you can join in and kind of, like I said, get the Cliff Notes version of note investing and see if becoming the bank is right for you. So hope to see you this Saturday at noteweekend.com, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you all at the top.